Hello everyone. Once again, I want to appreciate you for your attendance. Here we go with our lesson for today. Once again, it's to teacher Trinayo Emmanuel, and we are going to talk about elements, compounds, and mixtures. Previously, we had talked about matter and the changes of the states of matter. Some of the states of the matter we talked about: solid, liquid, then gaseous. There's another one who said that's not common and people have not known more. It's about plasma state of matter, which can be seen in the light from the bulbs, from the cars, torches, and so on. That's the plasma state of matter. As we know, all these elements, compounds, and mixtures, they are building blocks of matter. Anything that occupies space and has weight is matter. So it's made up either of elements, compounds, and mixtures. Then we are going to start with elements. Elements are pure substances made of only one type of atom and cannot be broken down chemically or by any means. Then each element has a symbol. For example, oxygen has a symbol, which is one atom of oxygen has a symbol O. Hydrogen H, sodium Na, then iron Fe, and so many. We are going to see many other elements, as you can research also about first 20 elements. In the table, as you see, we see the first 20 elements from hydrogen to calcium. If you can see very well, they all have each different atoms with the different symbols, meaning it is only one kind. If it is lithium, it is lithium. So if it is lithium and oxygen, then that is another thing. Are you getting it? Okay, let's move on. Compounds. What is a compound? A compound is a substance formed when two or more elements combine chemically. Elements bonded in fixed proportions, like water, which we use in different ways: bathing, drinking, washing, and so on. Sodium chloride, our common salt. Carbon dioxide, which is used by plants. All those are compounds. There are very many compounds that we have. Then properties, as we have seen, we are saying compounds also can also exist in solids, liquids, or gases. Like we have said, they can be separated by chemical methods like electrolysis. We have also what we call mixtures. A mixture is a combination of two substances or more, not chemically bonded, meaning it is physically bonded. If you get water and you mix it with salt, that is the substance formed is a mixture, and actually that is a homogeneous mixture or solution. When you get heterogeneous mixtures like sand and water or oil and water, for them they don't mix completely. After some time, on settling, they'll form what you call separating layers. Then we can also go on and see examples of heterogeneous mixture. Number one, we are seeing sand and water. As you see this picture, sand has settled at the bottom and water is up. And then we can see cooking oil, or oil is above and water is at the bottom. What does this one mean? There is some separating layer which is formed. So it can be separated physically, as you can see it. I want you to watch this video and then take note of what you are watching. Thank you. Some work, please do it. It is just done. This video I'm going to send it on your Google Classroom. Make sure you copy the work and then do it and put it. You send it on the what? You send it on your Google Classroom. I'll get it and give you. So the assignment is here. List 5 elements from the first 20 elements of the periodic table and write their symbols. Explain the difference between an element and a compound, giving one example of each. A mixture contains sand and salt. Describe 2 methods you could use to separate them. Which of the following are compounds and which are mixtures? So you need to specify by writing the ones which are compounds and the ones which are mixtures. Then there is another quiz which is here. It is called a puzzle quiz, and then I want you to just see. When you see that, when you click on that link, which I've clicked, the questions are like this. You are supposed to, all the questions are like this. What you need to do is one, you are supposed to what you need to do is one, you are supposed to click where there is a question mark. Just click there, and you see it is timed. If you don't do it, it is taking 10 minutes. If you don't do it, it will in 10 minutes it will stop before you finish. When you finish, you will get your when I check, there is a reference at the end. You can copy the link, and then this link will guide you on above exercise, and also you can watch and see the elements, compounds of different categories and mixed in different categories. Thank you for listening. We'll meet next time.